everyone, hey, my name is Trishaa and welcome to my channel. So couple of days ago I have posted a story on my Instagram and 86% of you guys voted for beginner / teenage friendly skincare products. So here I am with all the affordable teenage / beginner friendly skincare products. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's directly start with the video. Alright, so the first must-have product is of course a face cleanser. Now be more careful while you are choosing that. Make sure you choose those face washes which has natural ingredients so it won't harm your skin. Now I have two products in this category. The first one is Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Now Plum is a very beginner friendly brand. It also inspired by goodness in nature. Now the brand is 100% vegan and it's also cruelty free as well. It does not contain any parabens. It has the goodness of green tea extracts, glycolic acid as well as natural cellulose beads, which helps you to remove dead skin cells and also it will clean your skin very deeply. Next we have is Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. It will help in eliminating excess oil and dirt and as well as dead skin cells. Now it has the goodness of vitamin C and turmeric, which has the brightening properties which help you to give your skin a natural glow. You can use the code MAMA20 to get 20% off on their website. With this, I am going to mention all the links of product that I am going to share in this video down in the description box. So in case you are interested, you can check it. Alright, so the next product is not kind of compulsory for being a beginner, but I suggest if you are in your early 20s, you can start using this product. I have this Plum E-Luminence Nourishing Toning Water. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Now, as I said, the Plum is a very beginner friendly brand as well as they believe in nature in goodness. So it's 100% cruelty free and vegan as well. Now, if you are someone who is suffering from dry and patchy skin, you must start using a toning water. Toner generally helps to maintain a pH level of your skin. If you are a science student, you must know what is pH level. Like a water has a pH level of 7. Same as that, our skin has some pH level and we should maintain that. So if you are in your early 20s, go for it. You can start using toning water. This product has the calendula which helps to soothe your skin, witch hazel which is natural astringent which will make your skin less oily. It is an alcohol-free hydrating cocktail of vitamin E just to maintain the pH level of your skin. Alright, so the next product is of course a serum. I have this Mamaearth Vitamin E Skin Illuminating Face Serum. It has the goodness of vitamin C and turmeric, which will bring out your skin's natural radiance as well as it will minimize the fine line and also give you a brighter looking skin. The next must-have product is of course a moisturizer. Now I have my all-time favorite moisturizer. It's Nivea Vitamin E Soft Light Moisturizer. It's a very lightweight and soft moisturizer you can wear under your makeup as well. Now I always say this, that smelling good is a key, and recently I got my hands on this beautiful product. It's Plum Body Loving Body Mist in the fragrance Vanilla Vibes. It's a very warm and rich smell, exactly like vanilla cupcake. Also the mist is super affordable and the bottle is made of plastic so you can easily carry with you. Also you can return the empty plastic bottle to Plum and in return you get some reward points. So it's a very good thing about that they are using less plastics. Also there's some sale is going on their website, so I will link the website down below in the description box. Alright, so these are the products you need in your day-to-day life, but apart from that, one product you must need or you must have is that a sheet mask. Now I have a bunch of sheet masks and all are from Trishaa. You can invest in the brand you like. Sheet masks are super convenient as well as super affordable. You should definitely use a sheet mask at least once a week. If you are a lazy girl, you can use twice a month as well, but I prefer to use that once a week. That's it for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if it did, then don't forget to hit the like button. There is a lot of things going with the YouTube algorithm, and your one like will definitely gonna help me. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like button as well as do share it with your family and friends as well. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in the next one. Till then, sparkle up!